here in LA off the 6th Street Bridge, and around here you see so much interesting, unique graffiti everywhere, and it makes me think of how we all have this authenticity inside us, this unique artist. Even those who don't think they're an artist have something of artistry in us. And I think authenticity, the idea of being able to connect and engage with a community of people, is really truly all about like going in instead of going out. Trying to find clients in a community, we tend to like get on our megaphone and shout really loud, right? We're just shouting. But what we're doing is we're matching the noise of everyone else, because we don't actually know our unique message. We're going out and spewing out a message we've heard over and over again. And that's the problem, is that when I look at this graffiti, I realize that a lot of these people who have tagged this beautiful art, they've had to learn their own style, learn their own technique, figure out who they are. And they didn't go outward to do that, they went inward. So when you're trying to find out who your audience is or trying to connect with that audience, instead of shouting to match everybody else, to rise above that noise, start with a whisper. Start with a whisper internally to try to figure out who you are, and then engage and connect with that audience through that whisper. Just like these people. You know how often they probably tagged? They probably tagged 1,000 times to try to figure out who they were. And that's the beauty of it. So take time, figure out your message, figure out who you are internally, and then focus on that time.